are the best social media posting habits for organic growth that you need to follow if you want to remain consistent and increase your followers, traffic, and sales. As a social media marketing expert, I have some tips for you. Let's begin. So how often do you really need to post on social media if you want to stay consistent and increase your audience, as well as ensure that those followers will also become customers? I will give you some quick references for each social media platform so that you know what you need to expect for creating content and posting if you ever want to start a new platform to advertise your business. Let's begin with Instagram. For Instagram, I suggest posting one Instagram reel per day that you optimize with a caption and hashtags. The Instagram reel needs to represent your brand, needs to use a trending sound, and must use high quality content. If you don't know how to create reels for your Instagram account, check out these videos right here. Now, what about posts, simple posts that you post to your Instagram feed? These can be posted 3 or 4 per week and you would still see growth. You don't need necessarily to post 1 per day. This can be split into simple posts, infographic posts, or carousel posts with more than one slide. Again, each of these needs to be professionally designed and needs to represent your brand, and they need to be optimized with relevant captions and hashtags. Instagram stories should be posted daily. You should include polls, stickers, and interact with your audience through them. And I suggest posting from 5 to 10 stories per day for the best results. Now let's move on to Pinterest marketing. What do you need to do? How often do you need to post? And what do you need to post on Pinterest if you want to grow your brand? If you are just getting started with Pinterest and want to see fast, consistent, organic growth, I suggest posting at least 3 unique pins per day. I suggest creating high quality vertical pin graphics for your business and keeping them fresh every single day. Pin multiple products from multiple links per day or from multiple blog articles or whatever your Pinterest account is about, and optimize them for SEO by researching keywords before that you add to your title, description, and also use hashtags in your pin description. Next, a new feature that Pinterest has are idea pins, and I suggest posting one of these idea pins every single day if you want to see more traffic to your Pinterest account that will then convert to your website or to your product. Idea pins can have multiple slides and those can be photos, or you can post videos such as Reels or TikToks that you've already created. To see growth on Pinterest with these posting strategies, it is really important to have a business account for your Pinterest, to optimize your Pinterest account for SEO, create boards, create a Tailwind account, join communities, and schedule more pins every day to stay active on Pinterest. In this playlist right here, Pinterest series for beginners, I share everything you need to know about using Pinterest for your business. So make sure to check that out if you want to learn more about Pinterest marketing for your business. Now let's move on to YouTube. YouTube is one of the platforms that will require more work in a shorter amount of time if you want to see fast, consistent growth. And what I mean by that is that videos are a bit more difficult to create than, let's say, a Pinterest graphic. If you want to grow on YouTube for your brand, posting random videos will not be enough. You will need to research content before you even start your YouTube channel, script your videos, film your videos with high quality, and optimize each of those videos and your YouTube channel for SEO. In this video right here, I share 5 tips that you need to know if you want to grow on YouTube as a complete beginner, so be sure to check that out. As a beginner, I suggest posting at least 3 videos per week that you optimize for SEO, that you research beforehand, and that attract your target audience and that fit your niche channel. That is, of course, if you want to grow a bit faster, you need to experiment with multiple types of videos because you don't know which kind of videos your audience enjoys yet. After a while, you can switch to 2 videos per week if you've noticed what your audience wants and needs. The next platform we're going to talk about is TikTok. For consistent growth on TikTok and to grow your brand and promote your products, I suggest posting daily, but on TikTok it is recommended to post from 3 to 4 videos per day. Using trends for those videos is the best idea and using trending sounds, but original content must be intertwined with those as well. High quality content does really well for any business, so be sure to use a professional smartphone or a DSLR camera to shoot your videos, and optimize each TikTok for SEO by adding a relevant caption and hashtags. Your TikTok account also needs to be optimized for business with a professional profile image with a description, by connecting your social links and creating TikToks that represent your products and your brand. This way people will take you seriously and will go to your website to purchase your products if they enjoy your content on TikTok. So there you go. These are a few of the social media platforms that you must be using for your business if you want to grow your online visibility. If this video helped you out and you learned something new, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Lida.IncomeMakesSuccess for more content on growing online with social media and making more money. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.